Hi, this is Radu reporting for the Freedom Alternative Network. I'm finding myself currently on the Westminster Bridge in central London. The Big Ben is right over there. Yeah, that's it. That's the Westminster building or the House of Parliament or whatever it is. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, there are a lot of people walking along the bridge. Yeah, as it was to be expected, there is a lot of police, metropolitan police and just the security, the regular police. Yeah, and that's the queue, the infamous queue that's everybody's been hearing about on the news. That's over there. Yeah, as you can see, the people, it's moving quite fast. It's moving quite quickly. I haven't expected it for the people to move so fast, but they are. From what I've heard from people around here, there used to be a point in time where the queue was 24 hours long. So if you join the queue, you're expecting to eventually get to Westminster in 24 hours. But today morning it was 13 hours, and this afternoon, like 2 hours ago from now, it was 10 hours. So it's starting to shorten because they're not letting any more people join the queue. So that's why it's shortening with time somehow. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, what else is there to say? Yeah, there are lots of people. Everything is nice, as you can see. Yeah, everything is quite quaint, as some would say. Yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Yep, Radu checking out.